you want to know how to style your small bedroom, this video is for you. Designing a small bedroom to look bigger involves clever using of colors, lighting, furniture placement, and decor. Here are some practical tips. One of the first things that is often overlooked is decluttering a room. Arranging a room not only makes it look bigger and more spacious, but also has a positive effect on mental peace and stress reduction. Many people like to put decorative items in their rooms. Many of these items have little use and only clutter the environment. The more your items are out of sight, the larger your room will seem. For example, imagine a small room with shelves installed on all the walls, and the shelves are filled with decorative and functional can make the room appear smaller than it is. To organize your room, the first thing you need to know is not to buy too many decorative items. Choose the items in the room carefully. Consider the dimensions of the closet, the number of shelves, etc. when buying. Use the dead spaces in the room. For example, if there is a recess in the corner of the room, get a shelf suitable for filling that corner. Place items as far away from sight as possible. For example, put them in closets, organizing boxes, etc. Clear the floor of all items, boxes, furniture, and drawers. When you have more floor space, your line of sight across the room is not interrupted, making the space appear larger than it is. For small bedroom storage ideas, mount everything on the wall, and if possible, opt for built-in shelves. Your bed can have drawers, which will increase the space for storing things. If you are not using the space under the bed for storage, it is better to use a slat bed so that you can see under the bed. The more open the floor space be, the larger the room will seem. To effectively organize a small bedroom, make sure everything is at or below eye level. Get rid of tall chairs and furniture. Using low-height furniture will give you more visual space, making the bedroom appear larger. Consider a bed with a small beside lamp to add visual interest to the room. You can also go for multi-purpose furniture that is more functional. A sofa bed can help a lot. Folding tables and hidden bedroom storage are also good options. You need to buy the right furniture for a small room. Very large furniture can take up space and make the room look smaller. For a small bedroom, buy shorter pieces of furniture, such as short dressers and a bed that is closer to the floor. This will help to separate the pieces and give you more wall space. The more exposed walls and the floor space, the larger the room will appear. Consider hanging or placing large wall mirrors in the darkest corner of your room and see how it helps brighten up the area. Ideally, in a small space, choose mirrors that go from floor to ceiling. Position mirrors opposite window to reflect light and create the illusion of depth. Colors can have a big impact on the appearance, height, and scale of a room. They can create an optical illusion. Light colors are more reflective and can open up a space. These also maximize the effect of natural light. On the other hand, darker colors absorb light and make the room feel warmer. In small bedrooms, it's best to choose white, cream, light blue, and green. This can not only make the room appear brighter, but also add a bit of cheer to the atmosphere. You can paint your walls and ceiling the same color to draw the eye across the room, creating the illusion of more space. Using darker, warmer colors make the environment look cozy and warm and the room's decoration. The more open the environment will become. If you have a small room that you want to make it look bigger, use light colors for the walls, curtains, furniture, and carpet. Try to direct more natural light into the room with light colored curtains as much as possible. Don't paint the walls and leave them white or use very light colors. Choose light colors for the room's furniture, especially larger items such as the wardrobe, bed, and bedspread. Using cool colors such as blue and green can also make the space more open. The more neutral colors you use, your room looks more airy. Try to choose colors from the same spectrum. Colors like light cream and light gray make the room look bigger, and you can match some room decoration of different colors with these neutral colors. Coordinate the color of furniture and walls. If the color of furniture and walls in the room contrasts too much, your room will look smaller than it is. Furniture that match the color of the walls will blend better with the environment and create an open and uniform space that make your room look larger. First, decide on the color of the walls and then choose the furniture in the room to match it. You may not able to or don't want to use a single piece rug or your room is carpeted. In this case, you may want to use a small area rug to decorate a part of the room. If decorative rugs be smaller, your room look more crowded. The size of you choose for this rug depends on several factors, such as what furniture you have in the room. Arrange the furniture and then decide on the dimensions of the room rug and choose the largest possible option. Use the same type of flooring throughout the bedroom to avoid visual breaks that can make the space feel smaller. Choose any fabric in the room, such as curtains, bedspreads, and tablecloths in light colors. Especially for curtains, be sure to consider how thin they are. If you like to get pattern fabric, be sure to choose similar design, smaller flowers, or strip and check patterns. Hang curtains higher than the window frame to create illusion of height. Avoid heavy curtains.